welcome back to my channel. I don't want to say this is my most requested video of all time, but I know on my request list, it is up there. You guys really are interested in how I curl my hair, the curling iron I use, the products I apply, and also my technique. This is my natural hair. As you can tell, it definitely has some wave and movement to it. I did wash my hair today, so the volume isn't as voluptuous as I would like it to be, but that's why second day hair is definitely the best for styling. But I am going to an event tonight in Miami, so my hair needs to be styled. If you are curious what shampoo, conditioner, styling products, hair masks that I do use on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, on a monthly basis, I do have a hair care routine already up on my channel, so definitely go check that out. So as I mentioned in the intro, I don't think what I do is very out of the ordinary. However, you guys seem to want a tutorial, so that's why I'm here. First, you're gonna need a hair tie, and I just like to section off the back of my hair. So I am going to go right behind my ears and kind of section my hair into two chunks. Now, I don't really curl a lot of hair at a time. So this is kind of what we're gonna be working with. I am gonna be looking in the viewfinder a lot, just so I can kind of make sure that I'm demonstrating well. So this is what we're gonna work with, and then I'll put the remaining chunk in a bun, clip it back with a hair tie, kind of like whatever your preference is. So then I kind of take about an inch piece. I don't curl anything larger than an inch. It's almost actually, I'd say, a half an inch. Then I take my curling iron. This is the BaBylissPRO. It is the 1-inch barrel. And I'll take my section of hair and kind of smooth it out. Because I do have already curly hair, sometimes it could get frizzy, and the heat of the curling iron will just kind of smooth out any kinks that you have, and it'll just make your curls fall a lot easier. So my tip is to just curl away from your face. So I'll take the curling iron and I'll put it behind the section of hair and wrap it around. So I usually hold it, I would say 1, 2, I usually hold it, I had to count that out loud. I usually hold it for about 6 seconds, kind of let that curl form, and then drop it. I don't spray curl by curl, but more so section by section. So I'm gonna go around, curl this bottom section, spray it, and then we'll move on to the next. We have some beautifully formed curls. I'm gonna take my hairspray. This is the Monat Refinish Control Hairspray, and I spray a couple inches away. So as you can see from the frame, I'm pretty far away because I just like to coat it, but I don't want to give it that crunch, which I find this hairspray doesn't do anyways, and this size is perfect for travel as well. So now that that section is done, I will unleash my bun. This is kind of just works for me. I work from the outside of my hair to the inside of my scalp. So I usually will flip my head over, section the piece closest to my ears. So usually about that. Tie this back up in a bun, and I will continue to curl my hair. The key is just away from the face. Make sure your curling iron is always behind your hair. That's what I find forms the most natural curls and just kind of gives me the shape that I'm looking for. So again, just smooth it out, go behind, and wrap all the way through.
Drop down your guns, wrap your arm round, cradle my chest. Paper love, plastic smile, lay down to rest. Dream a little bit more than you sleep, talk a little less than you think. I see you're the noble one, pretend to be someone you're not. I see you're the social one, beat so loud, can't hear what they say. Wave, smile and chat for a while, dance, laugh, post it online. Realize you lost your own spark, too late, it's well after dark. Find what you can hide. Hope you flow out with the tide. don't talk. Silence seems like an evil thought. Repetitive questions, you know the answer to. Everyone's always okay. Smile on through the day. Real friends, not many left. All that counts is that you're seen. So focused on being in the scene. Good life, but you're even smiling. Day after day, create the fame. Stand alone, do you know your name? Better in groups, solo, there's no one to blame. What happened to the true you? It's such a shame. Hope you find what you can't hide. Hope you flow out with the tide.
Looks like this. I will do one more spray all over just to make sure that every curl is locked in, and then I do your standard flip over and shape. You can kind of fluff up your curls a little bit or run your fingers through them, kind of whatever works for you. If you see that maybe there's some curls that you're not liking how they're turning out, I would just take the curling wand and kind of go over them a bit. I also would suggest to smooth out the tops of your hair. Sometimes they could get a little wonky just from the way that we parted it. So again, using this as a flat iron is a great way to kind of make your hair look effortless. For finishing touches, I would add some oils to the ends of your hair, a very, very small amount, maybe like a dime size, kind of warm it up and run it through your hair. Or I would also recommend adding some texturizing powder. This is my favorite, it's from Not Your Mother's. It is the Girl Powder volumizing hair powder. So I really like this too. I hope you guys found this video helpful. I hope it taught you a couple tips and tricks on how I get these voluminous curls. My hair, again, already has some texture to it, so I can get these curls definitely to last me till the next day. Of course, it's nice to touch them up a little bit, but I find that this technique with the spraying of the sections, the spraying at the end, it really holds your curls and it just allows my hair to look this good all day long. Please let me know you enjoyed this video by hitting the like button. It really supports my channel and I would greatly appreciate it. And until my next video, I will see you guys then. Bye. Mwah.